Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook account. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe for more amazing contents. So if you want to delete it, head over right here to these three lines, and then from there, click on this gear icon. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this Meta Account Center. Head over and click on that. Now from in there, scroll down until you can see in here this personal details. Click on it until you can see this account ownership and control. So head over and click on this one. Click on this deactivation or deletion. From in there, just select your Facebook account. And then in here, make sure to choose this delete account. Once you have chosen that, click on this continue. And then head over and continue again. And then you can actually select in here an option that will actually help them in order to resolve your problem. Click on continue. Then click on continue here, and then right here, as you can see, permanently deletion. Scroll down right here and you can see in here your information and the likes. Head over and click on continue right here, and then just enter in here your password in order to successfully complete the deletion of your Facebook account. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, just leave a like below and subscribe to our channel as well. Thanks.